I'm Karrie with Staging Spaces and Design. I'm going to be talking about organizational tips and tricks and how to declutter and make the most of your space. Let's get started. I know organizing your pantry can feel overwhelming, but by doing so, it not only looks better, it's more functional. You can maximize efficiency of your space and even reduce food waste. Here are some ideas to get you started. These are open shelf storage bins. They're available in multiple sizes. They're great for storing like items together. Mason jars are a great option for storing open boxed items that you want to keep longer. You can put your pasta, rice, beans, and other open items in the containers to keep them fresh longer. A Lazy Susan is a great space saver. These are pop-top containers. These are great for storing your baking supplies. They have a sealed lid that helps keep the items fresh longer. And they even have the larger size, which is great for storing your flour and sugar for easy scooping. These are clear snack bins. These are great for storing the kiddos' snacks. That way they can see everything that's inside. They are also stackable, which is great for saving space if you need to. This is another clear storage option. You can keep your pastas, rice, snacks, any other pantry items in here. They come with a seal. They'll keep the items fresh much longer. These are cereal containers. Container will hold an entire box of cereal. It has an easy pour option, and the plastic seal will also keep your cereal from going stale. Lastly, we have these wire baskets. These are available in multiple sizes. These are great for storing snacks. They're also great for storing potatoes and onions, which should be stored in a cool, dark place.